When I was young, I used to like going to my friends who are rich. You go to their homes. You know, people in rich homes, their homes are very organized. You go and they tell you, kids, come on, let's have breakfast. And you go to the table to have breakfast. Do you know in rich people's homes, the container and what is in the container are the same? You get the container, you're like, Jerry, what is this? They're like, you read and you see sugar. Inside there's sugar. They give you a bottle of coffee. Inside there's coffee. In rich people's places, you can eat anything without asking. Because what is written there is what is inside. Poor people, we have a problem. In my home growing up, if you came to, that's why I tell people, when you go to a poor person's place, ask before you eat. People have eaten poison by mistake. Always ask. You find something written on tomato sauce, it is not tomato sauce. There's a time an uncle of ours visited us. I was playing football outside. He said, Okello, you first come and get for me tomato sauce. I said, you check inside there. We were playing football. I left him. I came back in the evening around 7 p.m. I just found my mother crying. I said, Mommy, what happened? She said, what were we going to do? I said, what happened? She said, your uncle swallowed engine oil. Engine oil? What was engine oil doing in a bottle of tomato sauce? When we went to see in the hospital, the doctor told us his stomach was in gear 3. You know engine oil of a tractor? Just, the stomach was just making noise. Up to now, we call him Uncle Tractor. It's just